Okay guys, so we are here at Just Velocity. It's a studio in Fort Myers and we are about to do Plug and Play, which is a local networking event for music artists. It's really bright and I don't have sunglasses, so let's go inside.
This is the first one of many more to come. That's all I really want to say. Now, another artist that was supposed to be here isn't here today, unfortunately. He's in the hospital, so just keep my boy Johnny Walker in your prayers. Very tragic situation, but we're here to celebrate not only this, but him as well, because he was a big part of the studio. I used to record this kid back at my apartment. Keep him in your mind. That's all I want to say. One more time, give us a round of applause for Joe for reaching out.
All right, so before we officially kick off here, I want to thank everybody for coming here. So make sure you give yourselves a round of applause real quick. We got a lot of special guests in the building, but I want to give a special shout out to Gabby B. You know, she came up here from Miami, and we got a lot of people from a lot of different areas. So we got people from Tampa and South Florida, as well as Sarasota and Bradenton and West Palm, and you know, so these are the type of networking events that we need to do in Southwest Florida and beyond that have everybody connect.
HP Productions, the other half right there, Georgie the Human. What up? A father's sins, the reason I was born addicted. The cash and fast women, I've seen victims of demons. My past showered with evil, so I sought shelter with heathens. On the streets, we moved in secret in shadows like ninjas creeping.
Hey everybody, my name is Strange Child. I'm here, born and raised from Fort Myers.
Pokey like I'm Kenny Maru, flyer than a monarch. I shop at Go-Yard, y'all shop at Walmart. Keep my wallet fat, yeah, it's looking like it's Paul Blart. Pokey like I'm Kenny Maru, flyer than a monarch. I got a baby face, she a babysitter. I'm the cool cat in your crib, shitting in your litter.
My boy Tragic, you know what I'm saying?
Let me thank you for the opportunity first, Joe. Hey. Psycho Joe, as I should say. Just a hit record now. Turn up. Got PTSD from these motherfucking streets. Ain't fucking with me mentally. I always got anxiety, so I walk around with headphones, cause everybody bothers me. I don't like me, so get the fuck from around me. I don't even like me, and these thoughts starting to drown. You like it?
Alright, my name's Cody G. I'm originally from Boston, born and raised. I got my sunglasses on, they throwing shade. I'm too blessed to be stressed, go ahead, I let them hate. It's time we set the record straight. I ain't no side play, side piece, only sometimes, nah, I'm the main. Clout chasing a disease, I seen bitches go insane. Heard these bitches being easy dudes running trains. Same ones lying, claiming they reside in the sky, rise on Biscayne. Okay, I got a lot on my plate, and when I do it, I make everything look easy, piece of cake. I did this by myself, I'm self-made. Spent 300 on myself, that's just a day. It's all work, no breaks, all gas, no brakes. I got 5 ways, this is how we do it. It goes my way, or the highway. Living every day like it's my day. Front row, sipping A1A. Watching strippers' hats shake, shake.
Fire. That beat, fire. The only thing I would recommend is your hook, pitch it completely different, because that is what everybody grasps to, is your hook. That's what everyone's gonna remember. The bars are gonna come, but that hook, fire.
My artist name is J Palm, like
J.
Palm.
Palm. Boom.
I've been working at a job while I'm working on my dreams. I ain't trying to just get by, I want everything I need. Clocking out that 9 to 5, then I be working for me. Then I be working for me. I came a long way, but I ain't done yet. Paying down all these debts, making sure that I invest. I can't give a fuck of what nobody says. I'm better than me yesterday, gotta be my favorite place. I'll be making moves long as I'm able. I never wanna wake up and regret nothing I ain't do. I keep a smile on my face because I'm thankful. The $100 bills, they be replacing the pesos. I'ma make it cause I say so, thank the Lord he remain faithful. I'ma weather out the storm. storm, even if it's a tornado. When you finally hit rock bottom, guarantee that it'll change you. Yeah, we all go through the struggle, let it make or it will break you.
What's up, Blue?
I just say that song like reminds me of something. If I'm riding down, you know what I'm saying, I'm driving on the highway, I'm singing it. If I'm getting ready to go out, I'm in the mirror, I'm singing it. If I'm just feeling like, you know, I just need something to pump up my energy, I feel like talking my shit and reminding myself of my power, like. Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Blue No.
If you only knew, and I've been going back and forth about what to do. It ain't been easy trying not to lose my cool. See, I know all about the games cause I'm no fool. I got a shit list of names that keep on breaking rules. With all these violations, they must be confused. Guess it's about time I'm just gonna have to show and prove. See, talk is cheap, but action stinks. Should claim. I'm doing me, you ought to do the same. You had no place to even speak my name. We ain't no time to have this shit. Disagree. This ain't exactly how they always seem. What you ain't know you gon' see.
To piggyback off of that, the vocals definitely shine more over the beat. She kind of, I ain't even gonna lie, you give me like a Erykah Badu type. This is grown. This ain't no little girl shit. Like this is grown ass women shit. So I fuck with it. Like it's levels to the music. Like that's grown woman shit.
Here I go. Because I feel hollow. Because no, I have no time for the nonsensical, irrational, illogical, all things inane, that rhyme, that love, that lacks all rhyme or reason, the one with no sense, just treasons. I do not seek your patented form of alleviations that you say seeks to reprieve me from my daily aggravations. You say you've got the prescriptions that will relieve the maladies that forsake me. You've acquired the magic pill. All that's left is to just let the water fill and spill its way down into my every limb. You've acquired the cure. Just let go and let it cure. No, but I do not want your popping pills. I do not want your magic popping pills. Your lauded prescriptions hanging high over you like titans. No, I will not drink your potions. I do not share your same devotions. I do not want a taste of the magics that you spoke of. The one that promises the world, that boasts more than what the story has actually wrote on the paper thin fine lines of your package inserts. No, I do not want your complimentary injections that only further my afflictions.
Shouts out, Heather. I know it's difficult to get up in a room full of strangers and do something that emotional. So let's clap it up one more time for Heather.
We had to give our CDs out to people. So that's how we ran into each other, and then with him working in the way that I was working, we kind of just naturally connected. Joe helped me with a lot as far as the business aspect. So I'll tell any artist, learn your business, because like I said, that's the most important part.
What's going on? I'm hoping, but it seems like nothing's really working. Guess I gotta move on. I've been waiting, and I've been patient. Things to get better. Don't know if I'm making singing. I want one of those late nights, whirling down, cruising, living my best. And girl, I know you heard the news and well, what can I do? Yeah, all you deserve is the truth. The truth.
And I think it's perfect just like this.
Guest is the special guest right now. Gabby's really killing it. She's got close to 4 million followers on TikTok. She's doing it on Instagram. She's got songs with over 1 million views and streams, and she's really doing a really good job for herself, along with the Muy Bueno team, as far as, like I said, not only outputting music, but utilizing her sounds and her songs as a brand. And again, independently, the team of Gabby B is right here. So it's not a very large team, but it looks large. It's a song called Pretty Girl Lit. We did this one with Justina Valentine for Wildin' Out. Gabby B.
It's a pretty girl shit. Yeah. Gabby B. Spitfire, that's some pretty girl shit. TikTok, that's a pretty girl flick. Dress to the nines, that's a pretty girl fit. In the club, popping bottles with some pretty girl. Yeah, that's some pretty girl shit. Yeah, we so pretty good. Yeah, that's some pretty girl shit. In the club, popping bottles with some pretty girls. At the party every time we step in. You ain't here to turn a basket to step in. Buy me a shot, who we think he impressing. I got my own bag, I don't need you obsessing. Feeling myself while I'm tipping on this liquor. Got me feeling like I'm Millie with my hands up to the ceiling. Yeah. I'm with my bag, we popping off. We looking good, you can get enough. Dancing with my girlfriend, chillin', we evolving. Shake my body to the music, we grooving. Can't keep his eyes off the way I'm moving. Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
So believe it or not, Gabby has a really great, interesting story with her. She actually grew up bullied, and that's actually like a big part of her empowerment with women empowerment and body positivity and all that. Do you want to speak on that at all? It might be a little.
I think you should speak it.
Okay.
I'm in a good mood.
Yeah. Sometimes it gets personal, and then again, that's part of the art. You know, it's sometimes hard to talk about. She has a song out right now called One Too Many that's doing really well. I think we're almost at like 700,000 streams on that in like the first month and a half. And basically, that's about her bullying experience.
It's
and really
more raw. You can hear my voice. I mean, I think you guys can hear me. Raw, you guys can hear my voice. You know, it's sad. Yeah, it's different than anything I put out. You know, I like to be very dancey and let's go, let's party. But you know, the sad part counts and the rawness. Yeah.
And I listen to it more than one too many times.
It's unapologetically you. There we go.
Yeah.